How to fix 401 custom key error in Fortnite. Now here I am in the lobby and I can't access this battle royale because I keep getting the matchmaking error 1. So what I do is I'll just scroll down until I find this button that says custom key. I'm gonna click on it and then I'm gonna delete the custom key from here and click accept. After that, the matchmaking will work. If that doesn't work, try changing your region in the settings. So click escape, click settings, go to the fourth icon right here that says language and region, and change your region. Preferably something with low ping. For me, it's auto set to Europe. As you can see, 37 ping, and Europe here also has 37 ping. I'll try playing on NA now. Now for me it works now, so I'm gonna set it to auto still. And that's it, your game is now fixed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.